How are you and Spice right now?
Right.
You and RT boss. What's the problem with you and RT?
Like everything we do had them problem. I never had a problem. We didn't want them to take me on. I've earned my place as a legitimate dancehall artist because I hear them attack. You understand what I say?
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Muscle, and this is another Two Line Music Cuts Entertainment Report podcast. And we have a friend of the podcast, we could say, today. Last time she was here, she gave a crazy interview. This was 2 years ago, almost to the day. Now she's back again in 2024 in Toronto. You know, we have the mad gal from Spain. We're talking about the Angel. What's going on, my sister?
And so, what an introduction, MAD. Actually, that's my initial. So we work with it. One girl from Spain.
Of course.
Right,
that's what. Tell me I'm lying. Am I lying?
I'm just the truth.
It's just the truth.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm lying. Whenever I see you, your energy is always up.
Unmatched.
You know
unmatched.
what I mean? Unmatched. That's
yes,
the word right
yes.
there. All right. So
Still,
you know what?
Still is.
From the last time I seen you, you have a lot of things going on. But let's just get to the top and then work our way down.
Yeah.
All right? How are you and Spice right now?
We're good.
You're good.
Yeah.
So is it just more of the fans are really trying to stir up a thing right now?
I totally ignore them because they don't know better. Because who know better do better. And, you know, that's me.
So why are they trying to?
Because that's how people are. The net is can't win them. So you have to just stand on what you are doing. And music is always creative, and you know whatever is going on, and you as an artist want to be creative and jump on it, and whatever you want to do, you can do it because you're an artist. That's what you do. And I'm sure a lot of people are invested in doing that all day, every day with their music. So if I'm not exempt, so. Yeah.
It's part of the deal because I know I seen you guys last year at Arama Awards.
Yeah.
You were doing the hosting red carpet and you guys linked. So I'm saying, like, where's all of this?
I don't know what you're talking
from?
about. I really don't. I'm not the one.
Yeah. Nor the two, nor the three.
No, I'm not. Wrong person.
Yeah. Okay. This is one I know that there's a little friction, but I don't know how it started. You and RT boss. What's the problem with you and RT?
Man, not the problem. We just hear him call my name. So he was the one who I was really got me to even speak and even go in the studio because I heard him calling my name in not of a really good way. And I'm saying, at the end of the day, you don't know me, I don't know you. You never be in a mother bad planet. You understand? Because God me say, right through. If God can't fix it, nobody else can't. So me never mix up, me never meet up, me never nothing. And then me hear him on social media space, you know, dragging me. And I was like, no, darling. We may do the same job, but we are not the same. So we just, even really had the talk to them, take it and throw it all over the place. But I mean, whatever. Who cares?
But that's the internet. The internet is a wild place. That's why I like to sit down and have these conversations. That's why I said, you know what? We're going to start hot today and just get right into it. Because, again, I know this is something that you've been dealing with these things throughout your entire career.
My entire career. And I'm not going to fall for any stupidness because my energy, I'm not putting my energy in no place that I am not treading because I'm on my journey. You understand what I say? Still is on my journey. And whatever, I don't have nobody the obligation. You understand what I say? I'm going to report to no one but my God. So if a person feel like, say, come I don't talk already, I'm move on next song. Time now, you know, them each up in that if that decide to stay in there, move on from that long time. You understand what I say? Because we have songs coming out. So if they want to stuck at that stuck there, it's number 8 on iTunes. It actually got number 8 on iTunes, thanks to everybody, whether the good, bad, and the indifference. Y'all scrolling on internet. I'm scrolling. You just keep scrolling. So it went number 8 on iTunes charts, and that's big for me because, you know, chart tapping, like that song. I never expect that song to chart tapping. Look much big song I have, and you know, I've said that song that made the charts. I'm like, y'all doing something great. Just don't stop scroll and talk about me because I can't pay for that. And the thing is, I'm so unbothered. Look, they don't really understand. I'm so unbothered. Look like me look like bothered to you?
Not at all. But you see, the good thing with it, you were able to take a situation and make a song out of it. Because that's what you are. You're an artist.
I'm allowed to do it. I'm not exempt. I never call anybody names. So I don't understand. We talk about Obia, so Obia fit one person, like to our tour. I don't know who whatever can fit. And you will talk about different things in the song that's just happening, and I just did it creatively. So I guess I did something good because if it wasn't good, then nobody would not talk about it.
No, definitely, because I know how you are. You're very, it seems like you don't really like people putting your name into situations and you're not going to fire back quickly.
I choose my battles, you know. I choose my battles because you're not going to see me on social media cursing for 8, 9, 10 days. I just realized, Lego one talk, I'm a done chat. You understand? But I'm like this. If I talk about something bother me so much, so I forgot to go in the studio and sing about it. And I mean, a lot of people, thousands of people in there sing. Some you know why I want to act. You know.
But you're not the same.
Precisely.
And the thing with it is, I seen the song come out, and like 3 days after, the visuals came out. I said, "Whoa,
Yeah,
you're not playing."
I didn't even sleep because that was a week of going. I mean, preparing for Canada. Everything was happening. Bam, 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 bam. The weekend, them I never sleep, and we just had to do what I have to do because it's my work, you know. So no sleep, the angel, and see the result there. Not the same.
Yeah, at all. You know what I mean? And the visuals right now, it was even trending. The song was trending.
Yes, it trended. iTunes, the song go out with itself.
Yeah.
Go out with itself. So look at them like, when I go out with myself. So if I go out with myself more.
When life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. Spike lemonade of that too.
Exactly. Somebody ever know what me if I make? Yeah. Gosh, leave me alone. Let me breathe. Allow me.
Yeah.
Stop calling me name. Allow me. Yeah.
It's part of the deal.
The thing is that me, I got there on social media, cause me do song. So that's it. We just had to do song. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do song.
Let's talk about a proud mommy moment.
Yeah.
I seen Marco Dean.
Yes.
He just graduated, went to his prom and stuff, and he made like a
Wow.
mini movie out of it.
Oh yes.
What was that? What was that like now seeing him graduate and go to the prom now?
I have so much proud moments. That's why I'm not invested on what people say about me on social media because I'm so busy working on, you know, being a mom and everything else that comes with it. I hear people talking about, oh, she's an entrepreneur, she's a philanthropist or a humanitarian, and she's this and she's that and she's this and she's that. Listen, if I am a giver and whatever else I do not let me be a giver or a humanitarian, because I'm the proud recipient of IRAM Awards, humanitarian, IRFM, and the list goes on and on. So at the end of the day, I'm unashamed of who I am or whatever comes with the Angel brand. I am very proud of who I am, and also I do this and beat me, feed over 1,000 people and beat me, and then they talk to me. Yeah, and that's the thing there. Feed over 1,000 people in a Jamaica, in your country, and then they come talk to me. You can't talk down to me as a humanitarian, you know, because I hear them attack. You understand what I say? But me now look. At up the place, bomb go off. And me I got turn up and stay him here, hotter than them. And me them and for each other, chat all you want. It's what it is. You can't rub out. It's what it is.
Yeah.
So respect is on my name. So regardless of what you think me is or whatever you don't think me is, respect the part of name. All people 100 recognize my name, recognize me, my voice. Oh, is that the answer? Because I feed the elderly and children, and that can't change. So it doesn't matter what other caps I may wear. None of them can rub out.
We said that's one of your proudest ones that you wear.
One of my proudest, and being a mother.
Of course. That's why I brought up Marco Dean actually graduating and going to prom, because it seems like, again, like you shot it was almost a music video for the whole song.
Yes, it was at that moment that I have to capture, because Marco Dean grew up in Jamaica's eyes, like dear little Marco Dean, you know, dear little baby, and I really kept him reserved out of the spotlight. Okay. For many reasons, because Marco, you know, him grew up very humble and reserved, because I me raised him, because I'm that human being, I'm that soul, and I just let him just bask in his own greatness in terms of his schooling, in his development, his growth, all of that. So I'm just celebrating with Marco from the graduation to the prom, and I just wanted the world to celebrate with me, and they sure did. So in the midst of it all, being a mother, I'm still being an artist, I'm still being a creative, because that's how I put food on my table to make all of this happen.
For sure. And is he showing any interest in entertainment or music or anything like that? Because remember, mom Angel, dad Beenie Man, there must be some musical DNA inside of him, but I'm not sure if he's showing it.
Marco didn't get it double dose from both parents. I mean, he's a great singer.
Okay.
The best vocals I've ever heard, not because I'm a pitney, it's just the truth. But He's taking his time. You know, everything is a process. He has his first song, taking your time for go record it. I just let him just lead. I don't pressure him and say, Marco, you have to go sing. No, I'm more big on education for him and making sure that he has a solid education. So fit in anywhere you put him in, suppose he can fit in. I see him showing deep interest in boxing, so I'm with him with that as well. Okay. So every journey of his life, I am supporting it. So you never know, Marco, he may be the biggest boxer tomorrow. You just never know, but I'll be there right in the front cheering on my son, because whatever he wants, I'm that mom that will support him to the end. You know, I'm ask God for to give me long life, health and strength, so I can live to see my son past the worst. That's all I'm ask God for. You understand? Besides touring the world and you know, stepping up as a female dancehall artist and taking over this place, you know, because, you know, my talent speaks for itself, and I'm ready for really go out there and show the world what my brand has to offer in terms of my music. So that is one of the things I ask God for. And just, you know, watching my son till he married and settled down and all right, and, you know, all these things, and accomplish his best self, you know.
No, definitely. And I see you guys have a really close relationship. I think it was Mother's Day or your birthday, he brought your flowers. It's like you guys have a really good relationship.
Definitely. Mommy and son it was my birthday, and I was traveling. I went away to work, and I came back on my birthday. I said, oh, me? My birthday I spent with my son. I go home, no work, no money, I go home to my child and my family. So when I went home, that was it. I was like shocked. I was like, what? You do this for me? Yeah. Like, I said, yeah, God. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. So I'm going to grow my son. So I'm going to grow him. Mm-hmm.
Definitely. That's a good thing. You've been now, 2024 makes it 20 years.
20 years.
That you're in this industry. That's why you put out the song, Time Now.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Big song.
Of course. And the visuals just premiered today. So we're getting the first interview.
Today.
The first interview after premiere. A couple hours ago it premiered.
Yes. That song means a lot to me because I was actually, couldn't sleep. It's a true story. I just couldn't sleep, and every night, I'm a bit of toss and turn because I'm asking God for a number of things and why a lot of things are happening. And that's my personal life and myself, because nobody don't know what I go through. I don't wear it on my face, and I don't tell people my business, you know. Because you don't hear it. You can't come for me because you're not a secret for me. You understand? You don't hear it. So I was speaking to God in my personal space every night. I can't sleep. I said, God, Jesus, man, why I can't sleep? I want to sleep. I'm tired. Because if I don't sleep, my day not going to go good. So I'm going to manage. I come like a zombie around the whole place. So that was when I woke up with this song. Every night I'm praying to God to show me a better way. I'm tired of the pain, the scars in my heart. I need them to be replaced. Fall asleep, I'm waking up. Fall asleep, I'm waking up. My vision's the clearest day. On repeat like a cassette tape. Over again, I see my way through lucid dreams. Oh, I'm my time now. But turn the place up. Them try to kill my dreams, but mankind me not trust. I'm my time now to line. But turn the place up. In the darkest place, me find my way out. So they say, let me just find my way out. And from sing the song, I start sleep again. So anything about me, I go to the studio. I still get all of my hit song them. So I'm lucky.
It's real. It's a real life experience. That's why people connect with your songs.
Yeah.
Because they're real. Yeah, as an artist, you make up things and all that too. But you see, once you pour out your soul on a record and people hear it, whoever's going through something similar as a human being, they're going to connect with it.
Of course, definitely. Because this song reminds me so much of Stronger. And people...
I knew that.
People compare it to Stronger a lot. And I'm like, wow, when the Stronger side of Angel kick out in on the bottom, make way for her. Make way. I mean, now go in. Me come out. I mean, going inside is my time now. 20 years of fight. 20 years of chat. 20 years of locking me out. 20 years of closing doors in my face. You understand what I say? I'm going to kick out my door them from stink, door kick off. I'm going to decide, say, my time now and I'm going to take it. And that's just what it is. I'm not going to let nobody take away my dreams and my aspirations and my goals and whatever I'm set out to do. I'm born for the music. This is in my genetics. I'm a talent. I'm pushing music since age 9. So I'm not going to let nobody take that away from me. If you are going to let, where's the camera? If you are going to let somebody take away your dream and shut you down and tell you can't do it, and let people that never make it stop you from making it, you need to think about what you want in life. You need to really think about hard and fast. Because I'm that girl that will never give up. At the end of the day, it's not like some age. God preserve me because I'm ready feet. You look at the older than when she born. So at the end of the day, God preserved me for such a moment and such a time. So overtap me. Overtap a thing. You crazy.
Only you could stop you.
Only me can stop me, and I will never do that. I always love to create me, push me more. Because the thing I understand, the more them talk about me, the more me ignite. I love it. When me too comfortable, I think people love me too much, me get complacent. Me now work, me now don't sit down say, people love me, hate me,
You don't have
work
nothing to
harder.
write about.
Hate me, work harder. Because we have so much people that loves me. It doesn't matter because you cannot please everybody. When Father God upon earth, and the same people them upon earth right now, but them can't crucify me. We bring her down, class you. That's not me. So you block out the naysayers because they're not speaking to me. So when you talk things and blah, 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 you don't talk to me because you personally don't know me. And you have a right to speak because you have a mouth. You have a right to type because you have a finger. But you got to type to the finger and them rub out because engine. Even never gone away 2008 when I go through the worst time of my career. And now me I reap the benefits. So me sow. Me I go somewhere now. Them not check my levels. Them not check what some of them. Them know what I got with me. Them not Google and search me. I read up what me. I need to go do the homework, yeah.
So what's the biggest difference between Michelle and D'Angel?
All right. Wow. Michelle is the mother. Michelle, I'm working with the mother, okay? And when I'm in my mother duties, that's a different situation. Michelle don't dress up and go on stage and perform.
Okay.
The D'Angel is the mother, Michelle is the artist, the entertainer. You understand what I say? The minute I go through my door, Michelle. You understand? When I step out, it can be many things because a lot of people recognize you in different capacities. And then, so I wear many caps, and that's where people get confused. But Michelle is the mother, as I said before, and D'Angel is the artist.
Got you. The song Time Now, video just dropped. 20 years span. What would you say were some highs and some lows in this 20-year career here?
On the highs, you want to go hear the lows first? Let me go lows first. The lows when everybody actually turned against me for no God-given reason.
Okay. Hold on. Let's stop there. Let's go into that a bit. Are you really going to say it's for no reason or they had their own reason for turning against you?
They believed what they believed and they never gave me a chance to even to hear me out. So they just ran with whatever. And maybe they never liked me from beginning with. Because let me tell you something. In this industry, in this dancehall space, it's rough. And me coming from Spanish Town, I just brown model girl, whatever. And them say, oh, I'm a pretty brown girl, where should I go? You know, so maybe them never really interested. And then when I got the breakthrough song, Downtown Girl Live That Uptown Life, then realized that, wow, she has a space because that song went #1. And then, you know, my personal journey, people just took side on me without trying to hear me out. And I was just coming up. So I never really had a voice per se. You know, I never created who I am now. I wasn't that then.
Okay.
You know? So I just step in the thing and whatever happened. So, you know, they just took side on me and I had to work through that in order to build my brand, build myself so people can know me for me, you know?
What else would you say would have been a low period in your career, that 20-year span there?
Those were the lowest period for me. The lowest, having to fight so hard and still fighting 20 years after. But I just speak it into being from last year. That is my time now. And it's something I want to do from December, you know? So I've just prepared myself for greater good because I'm not going to let anybody distract me because distraction is another slowdown. And I can't slow down again. You're not 20. Me have my life to live. Me have things to accomplish. Me can't slow down again because that's trap of the enemy. So I'm not going to slow down again.
And what's been some of the highs in your career?
The highs in my career is when I overcome. When I overcome and I tell myself that you're not going to care about what people say about you anymore. You're just going to focus on music and the songs, them are it so. So every song we sing, they must have it a go because one producer told me that this is the way you get over what you're going through. Do music, sing about it. So that's why I sing about things, everything I sing about, because that's the only way you're going to get over it. When I sang Blaze, may Arif Cooper soul rest in peace, he told me, because when I did Blaze in 2008, that was like one of my lowest points in my career. And I was like, oh, me I gonna get over all them something that happened to me. And then I say, keep singing good music, keep singing good music. So that's what I use as my little, you know, all day, every day life lesson that was taught to me. And I sang Blaze, First Lady, I'm just a go on. So, I mean, Time Can't Love You Good. Like, my catalog is so big, Baby Father. I mean, there's so much songs, Stronger, No Worries. I mean, there's so much. My catalog is very big and it speaks to me and my life and my journey. And a lot of people can relate to it, you know. So I'm not fussy, I'm not ackle because I'm going to touch a mic. The angel is here.
You're ready.
You're ready.
Who would you say would have been in your corner from jump till now? Even if you might have been 5 years, 10 years, they've been wrong. Have you had anybody in your corner that stayed and said, Angel, let's go. When it's not working, let's go.
Boy, to be honest, people come and go because not everybody going to believe in me and my journey.
For sure.
So I've never really had anybody more than just family and good friends. The people that work with me, they tend to, they don't want to wait until the breakthrough come. Everybody just want quick thing. Them come around, but them not really believing in you still. You understand? So they're not going to stay and ride out the storm with you. So I never really have them loyalty there before, you know. It's just me and my family. My little family I have. And, you know, my best friends, you know, stood by me because they know me best and they believe in me. People sometimes just want to believe in you when you get there, you know, and that's fine.
You know, long time. I knew you were going to make it long time. And this time you haven't seen them for 20 years.
Yeah, I know.
From Spanish to
Mimosa. No, yeah, my girl, you can make it rare. People cheer me on. And of course the fans, the die-hearted fans. You know, me have fans span over 20 years, you know. And them did it with me same way. So there's the fans who really actually believed in me. They stood by me more than even people that work, you know, we work for me, you know, with Angels Foundation, work with me, work around me, whatever. They must come and go. And loyalty not really in the thing so much, you know. You have to have people that stick with you when you're hungry and stick with you when you're belly full. Those are the people them when me ask God for putting in my life.
For sure.
You know, and God deal with him thing. Because the other day, me just ask him to remove every and anybody that's not for me. I'm the people just take with themselves. I'm never tell them for cut, you know.
Yeah.
God, I work.
Yeah. When are we getting this autobiography that you've been talking about for the past 3 years? Is it something that you actually started to write, or it's something that's in your mind that you're trying to put together?
Me never try is there. So it's actually being written. It's actually it's a sort out, man. It take time. Because that take me in some different dark mode. You know? Some different mood swings. I have to really get in down with that, I have to just take on myself a little bit because it's a serious book. It's like a joke thing. People never hear my life, they must chat. So you have to pay for it. I can't give them a story for free.
Yeah.
And crazy. So I always say when my book drop, a lot of people are going to apologize to me.
Yeah.
There are lots of people, but I'm all right. I don't need it. But when it drop, a lot of people, trust me, but it's all right.
No,
that's my truth.
Definitely
that's my truth. I'm going to tell my truth. I'm going to tell my truth. I'm going to water down or dilute it. So it's coming. Just take a time. Not now one way. We're not done before it come. It'll come before we're done. So.
I would say this much. Even if it's not being in production right now, take your time and write down a couple of notes here, a couple of notes there, and put them one side until you're really ready to sit down and put it together.
Because I'm doing that already. Because there's some things that I will forget. Because one day I might say, gosh, that they go on. All right, you know. So yeah, true. Yeah, man.
No,
yeah,
that
man.
book is gonna be interesting, you know, because there's some players that we know are involved, but it's like you know where the bodies are buried. You understand? So it's gonna be a very interesting book when it comes out.
And it's gonna come out the right time, you know, because I want to be in that place, you know, when it drops. Because I'm hoping that one day I'll have my own talk show like Oprah. That's the direction I want to go.
I remember you told me that.
Yeah, I told you that's the direction I really want to go. So I'm speaking it into the universe because I can relate to a lot of things, and I wanted to gear towards battered women, you know, and how to find a place after, and how to get out before it's too late. So I want it to be centered around domestic violence against women. So I really want to center it around that, to be honest, because I'm very passionate about it. And my book is going to speak to that too. And so that's something I really would love to do in the future. So I really want everything to just start tie in. So when the book drop, a lot of things, deals are coming and things are happening. And, you know, I'm going on a different, you know, I'm turning on a different level, you know. So that's the thing that I want. Still touring, still doing all of that. But a different type of, a different AD Angel, you know?
For sure.
Yeah, so that's what I want.
You know what I mean?
So I think I don't reach this yet.
You're still climbing.
It's getting there. It's getting there. Because a lot of things I need to shape up and, you know, get on that road.
Yeah.
So may I pray about it.
I know you and Razor B were doing a lot of lives.
Yes,
and it was more focused on...
Razor B. Yo, because
he was actually here a couple months ago.
Yeah, but he a place in Canada. Yeah. Yes, Razor. Yeah, man.
How did you guys connect and decide this is what you want to do on a live?
Razor and I, we're like family, you know. And I big up to my friend Razor B, co-worker. You know, so we just believe that the same thing. We don't believe in violence against women and children, and the things that we are going to Jamaica, some of the things, them social commentaries and social issues, we don't believe in it. A lot of things, injustice, we don't believe in it, crime and violence in school. So we're passionate about the same things. So we just casually started having a conversation. I'm taking him on my live, and we just start talking about it until it becomes a show. You know, Live at 5 with Razor B and the Angel, and that really went well for us, and people asking back for it. But Razor B had other things doing me. So, you know, it kind of clashed, so we had work to do, and, you know, because I think the show really impacted on a lot of people's lives, and whatever 2 cents that we could have given at that time to help households and values and schools, because actually, if we went in schools to me and Razor B, and we do like a mentorship, and we talk, and I had a school fee drive, and I was just me to do that, but it took away so much of me. It took away so much of me. I remember my mother too. You know, so but I did that, and I help with a lot of things. Even a young man at a school in Portmore. I don't remember the school. Yeah, but I helped him through a lot of things at the time when he was abused, and I was sitting because it's crime and violence is on a high. So we were trying to eradicate that and see how we can lessen the crime and violence. We sent out several messages to the Prime Minister, and then I fought pan we. So I'm just saying, boy, Razor B alone can't do it. So it's just like we just got really, really, what you call the word? We just got really discouraged.
Okay.
You know, but we did it, and I hope that it impact on people's lives, you know, especially the homes.
Yeah, definitely. Even music. I know December, you were what? War Angel for December?
Angel, yeah, man. Yeah. Still in me, man. Still in me. Still in me. You tip on me car, you're in trouble, boy. I love defend myself, you know. You understand?
It's the Aries in you.
Oh, I defend myself. But as far as I choose my battles, because I can't by the chatting. I'm not that kind of person. But yeah, the angel, the warrior angel, I mean, man, same way. Yeah, man.
Did anybody take up the chance say, yo, ready?
No, they never come. Who they come could I stay? Hello, they're not depend nowhere at all in the world. No map, none. We look for them, you can't find them. Still searching. Who they really want, they never come.
Who did you want?
Can't wait to get into that again.
Listen, we're talking, we're honest. Listen, you're my guest again. Come on, who did you want?
People just think I joke me, I make.
Yeah.
And they laugh at me like, say, give me the challenge and they say, they want Beenie and Bunty. Them two man, them they want.
So you really think you could have stood up on a stage, Angel?
Right now.
Beenie and Bunty?
Right now.
Right now.
And I was prepared, yes.
What gives you that supreme confidence to think that you could challenge the giants like that?
I know them.
I know, knowing them, okay. Knowing them relationship-wise and knowing them as artist-wise is two different things.
Them as artists, that's what I studied. I studied both of them because even when I perform, I have both of them in me. Me have the cross side and me have the fun side, you know? Yeah. So, I mean that. So, I know them. I study them like a book. So them can't manage me. Them know them, but them I say man now go take on woman, and you know. But I never had a problem. Me did want them take me on.
Yeah.
Don't send for me, take me on. Killer send for me, but who him send for me can't match up. So I say you come. I'm really serious. Me have nothing against them personally, you know, but I still want deal with them as a female artist. Don't look at me and say, oh, she used to do it. Forget about that.
Yeah.
I've earned my place as a legitimate dancehall artist. You understand me? I say and reggae. So, at the end of the day, I was really ready to challenge them as a musical act. Not like nothing personal or nothing. As an artist.
As Sting. This is Sting. This is the war world.
Don't look at this and say, what look at me as an art. As the thing is, I'm trying to let people understand. Like, for my music and what I do. Everything else, that shouldn't be a problem because my business shouldn't be yours. Because what I find that when you're an artist and an entertainer, people gravitate to that. So no matter what you do, and your music them I deal with. But me, like everything we do them problem. And the music is supposed to focus on. You focus on too much different things when they concern you. Focus on the music because I see that focus on everybody else's music. I see artists do this, that, create. And the music is what they still focus on. You understand? But me, no, me know when they're invested in everything when me do. I have nothing to do with them. Because I'm here and here for one reason only, to create music for you as a public figure. And that's what you should gravitate to. Only. My personal life or what I do otherwise shouldn't have nothing to do with you.
But let's not beat around the bush here. You lived a very public, personal life, though. It was out there.
Long time ago in Bethlehem.
But hold on. We know that's a long time, But it was such a shock, all right? Because it's the two giants. This is my personal life that you're out here.
That's just a story. Not a story. That's just a part of my journey. Not only me, the first woman. Me do the best thing, the greatest thing in the world. What is it? It's not a blessing. To me, it is. But it's just a life, a journey. You understand? So it's a part of my journey. It's just that, it's not like it's present now. So I'm not different from any other female that's been with two persons in the dancehall space. Nobody's ever heard me come out and disrespect either party. You understand? So at the end of the day, I supposed to be one of those iconic women like Michelle Obama, married to, yeah. So that's the kind of respect I should be getting because nobody never hear me tear down either party yet. So this is what it is. It's a part of my life. That's right there. I earn my respect. I earn my place as a female artist. Wouldn't you say that?
I would say so. That's why you're here again.
I'm not hang on for nobody shot. You understand? I'm not hang on for nobody color. I'm doing my own thing. I took me take my backlash, me take my beat, me take everything at all when them threw at me. I took it with pride and humility, and I still come out victorious. So that's a woman, and I did it to the fullest. And that's who I am. And nobody can change that. Somebody care what nobody want to talk, say. Chat all you want. Yeah.
It's all good. Friendships that I've seen you have over the last little while. One person sitting over here.
Yeah.
Kizzy Don.
Yeah.
All right. How did you link with Kizzy Don? Because I'm going to tell you my theory, but I want to hear from you. I'm going to tell you after.
Kizzy, what happened is, I don't like when females get teared down, I like when females get teared down. I'm going to say, like, she come with some face. Actually, they must say, some fake booking or something. Someone said the whole net a tear her down, a tear her apart. And I sent her a DM. I'm going to say, I invite her on my show. Someone want to talk to her. So I spoke to her on Live at 5. And I counseled her and I told her that, listen, it's not the end of the world. These things will happen. So just prepare for it. That's life, So I talked to her lengthy and it actually helped her on that healing process of understanding and knowing that that's how people are. People don't sympathize with people anymore. They rather just drag them till they're mad out. So I was that kind of cushion to kind of guide her, and people loved it. So right there and then, she said she got have a podcast and she want me to come on it. So I said, yeah, I promise me I will come do a podcast. So we got my business, got live my life. He said, never forget it. And she that me said, I'm a DM. Remember, you promised me that you're going to do a podcast, the angel. When can I set it up? So we say, I wish part. She said, rendezvous. I said, John, that far, So I tell the girl, what business do I not appear the man? She again come. Angel, remember, you promised me to go to do a podcast and this and that. So I say, all right, I'm going to do it. So I said, I have set me up for next week. And bam, I went in to do the podcast. Because sometimes you see people on social media don't know them as a person. So when I went in and I did the podcast, I got something different from her, And I said, wow, okay, this shit I want to support her, So do the podcast, turn up the place. Little did I know Kizzy was even a fan of me. Because I did the podcast, she sing every song. So I said, I try to trick me. We study them before we reach her. She said, no, I'm a fan. She sing a song there and I go on and she just always give me flowers. I'm like, wow, this is refreshing. So, left the podcast and got about my business. Then I had one day, I said, Kizzy, my thing that come up yet, my show not come up yet. And she say, Angel, you want to know what happened to me? I said, what happened to you? She said, one boy beat me and they kill me. I said, what? Beat you? Liar, tell. Because she always have this accent and everybody thinks everything she say a joke. I said, beat you and they kill you? A lie. And you send the picture there, and it was shocking. So when you sent me those pictures now, I'm like, Jesus Christ. And she just tell me the backstory. And I said, Jesus. So from this on now, I talk to her and I try to counsel her through it, because those things, you will go through, you will lose your mind, So I just sit there from this and now me and her just start conversing, and we just start talking, and I just say, she girl have ambition and she need a little strength, and I say, forward, because she really need it. She show out and she hungry for it. So I realize that we can relate. We come from nothing, you understand what I say? We come from just boiled dumpling and butter and sufferation. We can relate. So right, so I'm such ambitious, and when I got in the music, I never had no female to take my hand and teach me the game and help me out. People just want to tear me down. Because I've been through that, and I stood up tall right now as the First Lady of Dancehall, the angel, me, Brandy Angel. You understand? Turn up on my foot strong like a lion. And I know so I can actually teach somebody else how to gain that strength just through my life of how me live and what me go through, and me still there. So I just decided to run with her. So, Kizzy, I'm an artist, I know.
No, but it seems like a real good connection. I didn't know it was that deep, but what I like, it seems like bigger sister, younger sister. But you guys are real content creators. You know what I mean? She creates a lot of content, and so do you as Pamela, this and that. It just seems like the connection was a good connection.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And in this industry, you rarely see females hanging out with other females like that and just holding a genuine energy.
Rough. So I was trying to change that narrative, So
another good friend that I see you're linking with too, Pamputte.
Yeah. Pamputte MG. Pamputte MG. Good girl. My Pamputte never much clash yet. She even I love me video, she in there. Love me? Stop calling me name. Yeah, she in the video. I mean, music, and entertainment, so nobody taking anything personal. Pamputte a good girl. I just wish Pamputte nothing but the best of luck and everything that she does, good girl.
Because even in Time Now, both Kizzy and Pamputte are in the music video.
Time Now?
No, not Time Now.
No, not the same.
Not the same.
Yes. Yeah, man. They both featured in the music video. It's a nice vibe, supporting each other. Let me tell you something. So the more we work together as women, in whatever sector we're in, the better off we. Especially in the music, where that is male dominance. Because everything you go, them want the video. Everywhere you go, you turn your tone as a woman. You want to get rid of them man, they want the video. I mean, because of who I was with, and so I never been attacked like that. But it's said, and it's a fact. It's a fact. But just escape it because maybe who me used to be with. And them know them can't run in for my thing. Because them look me too. But them can't just blatantly come say, yo, because, we run the way, I said, when I put up on the radar, I pass through that, I rather advise myself. So nobody now come approach me in the type of way. They have to stand on business, man. Because I see at the end of the day, when you do that, because when you get your crutches and you go and work in business, your career done, Right now, go vice again. The next. I said, I'm abuse women in the industry. So at the end of the day, if I can help a sister go through, help them. It's not going to happen to me.
So why is it that more females don't actually stick together? If there's only a handful of you guys in this male-dominated industry, why is there so much fighting amongst the female artists? Even though the males fight too, but there's so many of them that it doesn't matter. But with the females, as you look, we're fighting now. We're not really linking, but we know we're fighting each other. Plus, we're fighting this industry with so much men. Why is it so hard for women to get along in this dancehall industry?
All right. Males will fight, but they still do shows tomorrow. Females fight. So we now do the show with a one year, we now do the show with she, promoter call for show. It happened to me. Promoter call to, me and who link man. And listen, I think the slice of cake is big for all of us.
Sure.
So it doesn't really matter. You mean have a talk with me and you do the same show. It don't matter to me. I'm ready to go do my work and collect my local money and go about my business. Because it makes it that much better. But I think a lot of things is bad mind. Woman bad mind, woman bad, And bad mind, man. I just that. I feel like I was bad mind. Blatant bad mind. I can't say nothing, know what else to say. I just bad mind, want to see the next person reach somewhere because maybe that person reach somewhere, only you alone reach somewhere fit. Someone, fit nobody else but you. Started to fit nobody else. And people love talk about them story and them journey. Everybody have a story and a journey.
100%.
Everybody have pitney. Everybody have the one that want a better life. You understand? So instead of you say, all right then, clear the way, make we help some other females to get through. You got to block them. Your body want you alone want everything. Cause once them get there, they must think somebody supposed to come. Me not like that, man. Me not like that. And we in the same. Sometimes we in the same space, and I be attention. Even with the rhythm when we do with Delamar.
Yeah.
The pink rhythm we have talk about. But give them something for talk about. Come in and go bet them jam me out. So that is like a whole female rhythm. I never know say I saw so much galang in a go on with them. How me tap in the room in and them the day, everybody in a phone, everybody look sad, everybody look ray. Ask Delamar, when me tap in, everybody a laugh and talk. Come in and depend tension. But me never know say that person never talk to that person there. That person that did that person they said this and that person did. I'm like, I don't even cut out them something there. I know one thing I like again. You and somebody, a friend, I want to make share different things as females. And as one of them broke up so, we don't ball you out. Me not like that. Like I want something in the cut out. Me not like it. So that people now start keep themselves to themselves and start keep them business. Because once them know about you, I remember saying you're the person did cool. So all of a sudden no, because you're the person not cool again. And we are all females. It's just something that I just don't like.
Yeah.
If I know something about you, and me have to fall out, we're not going to talk it. Why
it was told in confidence while we were friends. Okay, we're not seeing eye to eye right now.
I like that, man.
But that doesn't mean everything that was done while we were friends, we're going to come spill our guts right now.
Yeah, me not like it.
You
I want
understand?
something I like. Yeah, man, as females, we have to really celebrate each other more. You know, and I stand on that.
Got two more for you before I get you out of here. Doing your stuff, 20 years, many amazing highs, devastating lows, and all of that good stuff. What does success look like to the angel? What do you think that thing is that you're working towards that you really want to get? What does success look like to you?
Just accomplishing my best self while I'm here, while I'm alive, you know? Just pushing myself to the pinnacle, to the buck, which is just allowing God to just lead and I follow. There's a lot of things that I want to accomplish. And so I just allow him. Just want health and strength. Just want good health and strength. And the rest of it going to be history. You know? We not even, whatever time it come. But we just want good health and strength while I'm on my journey. And ask God for, you know, good, you call it discernment. So basically, I just them look at things them I want from God. Me not rush nothing. And everything will come. Of course, I want to get married again. Of course, I see myself with a, you know, a nice husband, turn up beside me, strong, and, you know, I'm a son and good family and, you know, all of that good stuff. So I just ask God to lead and I'll follow. So if tomorrow God say, you want me stop being a secular artist and I'm going to sing for God, that's fine with me. You know, because I've never been a type of artist that sing certain type of music anyway. So whatever God wants, I lead, I follow. So I tell you, just ask God for just lead and I'll follow. Because you can't take too much on your head because you will mad out. So I just tend to just, well, I want everything great for my life and my family.
So you don't think you've achieved that in your career, success in your career? Because remember, when you first started, success might have been, we're on BT, we're on this and that. But the game changed right now. Success is a lot of different things. Success is, I have 500 and something thousand people that I could possibly talk to on Instagram. That's success. I have this going on that I could measure. That might be success also. You don't feel successful, or there's still more that you want out of the game to feel that success?
I mean, to accomplish my highest self, I'm not there. I am not there. Trust me. It has been, my journey has been more fight than success. Tell you the truth. It has been more fights. In that fight, I still overcome. In all of that, I still manage to overcome. Still manage to find hit songs. Still manage, but I still don't get that place where I am going out in the world and showcasing my talent, performing for thousands of people. Tina Turner performed for 350,000 people, the first ever female, and I want to top that.
Okay.
So that's my dream. That's my dream, to perform for a sea of people. That's my dream, and I haven't gotten there as yet.
You're working towards it.
I'm working towards it. Not the Angel and 6, 7, 8 artists, just the Angel in
The Angel.
concert.
All right.
I want to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm working towards
You
it.
put it on
I want to.
camera now. So we're going to flash back. When that does happen, not if. When it does, we're going to flash it back and say, she told me right here.
I'm going to do it.
Yeah.
I'm going to do it. So that's what I want. So I'm heading there. I'm heading there. It will happen.
You know what I like about you? I like your natural energy that you bring. Your energy, your body, your hair. You're just a natural person. In dancehall, you know, which is very rare, especially your hair. Where's Angel's weave and all this? She just has a low haircut. Sometimes the color.
Yeah, it works.
And it works.
Yeah.
Your style of dancehall is a lot different than a lot of other dancehall. Why do you think you could still fit in dancehall but still present it your way?
Because I do dancehall music, but I'm not of dancehall, you know. So it's not like I live my life surrounding what dancehall represents. I bring the Angel to dancehall, which is classy, sassy, fashion, no nonsense, stepping out fierce, walking in heels, owning me. Because I transitioned from a model to music. So I brought the Angel into dancehall. So I never thought that, oh, if I don't sing derogatory music or if I don't sing certain type of music, I won't be accepted. And that then me say, no. You understand? Because them say dancehall rough. So if me no come out for dash out and carry on, them now look at me. And me still have some of the biggest songs today in a dancehall. I gave birth to a life. Me have my husband and my wife. With Vibes Carter, Baby Father, one of the biggest songs in a dance song that can't rub out. And not one thing in the song there, never slack or nasty. Can't live it good like me. Me and G-Ways, nothing that eat, no slack or nasty. One man alone can ride me with him. Me no freaking a bed pump me and Beenie Man. And I saw me a galang. Stronger, I'm gonna live my life longer, yeah. Cause right now, me no have no worries. Me and Spice. And I saw you sang them a galang go away. So, and right now, time now, you know, because people sometimes act like, say, and I'm missing them song there. Like them and say, what is your place in music? Like, check your history. Study the music and you see me place. You understand? I'm missing all them song there. But people, when them not happy for you or when them want distract you and make you feel like, say, you are not worthy or you are not that person, they will talk crazy things. But me block out distractors because they don't mean nothing to me. Because when me do can't rub out and even continue to build on my legacy and on that is just only going to get stronger. So I have news for you. Stronger. I'm going to.
What I liked about Time Now, it seemed like you finally got your angel wings.
Oh, yes.
You understand?
Yes. Yes. With that shiny wing them. I'm unstoppable, man. I'm unstoppable. When I mean a woman, I got it, you know. I am unstoppable. Yeah, man. They finally got the wings. So you don't know one different segment of the Angel. So just look out for it.
Yeah.
Look out for it. Gotta work.
Definitely. Right now, the floor is yours. Anybody you want to big up, anything you want to say, leave some social media contacts where they could check you out, where they could book you, double plates, all that good stuff. The floor is yours before I get you out of here.
Of course, definitely. Wow, big up to everybody right now watching this show. Yeah, big up to the big up to the whole of Canada. Wow, big up to the world, big up to my fans. My loyal, true fans, and in every way. I mean, whether as your fans are like the people will see me and say, "Boy, the Angel, I love you as a mother. That mother cap that you wear, we admire that." People will say, "I love you for your music." Other people will say, "Wow, that philanthropist work that you've been doing, we commend you for that. Keep going." So people love me for different reasons. Wow, we love when you walk out in the ears and you're muggling, you're this and you're that. I represent many caps, so people love me for all of that. So for bookings, I mean, I'm not hard to find as my social media. Once you go the Angel Music on Instagram, the Angel Music, that leads you to all my social media platforms, and follow the music on YouTube on the Angel Vivo. Just go over there, check out the music, them just go and rock and come in because I have every song for every situation. You understand what I say? So just do that, go and have fun with the music. And thanks again for having me. Yes.
Angel, it's always a pleasure. As I said last time, your energy is always unmatched.
Yes.
Your vibe, you do have a graceful energy to you. Yeah, you still have the roughness, but in there is a graceful, I flow through the air type of essence. That's what it is. You have an essence to you.
Yes. And that's how my mother raised me. And nothing can change that. That's how I was raised. And when you have that solid foundation, nothing can change. Because you know one thing before I go, if me decide that tomorrow I'm not sing again, people are gonna still love me for who I am. Because I never change. When I make music and fame switch up who me is as a human, I'm still who I am, and that will never change. So if you can't be true to yourself, God go with you.
Mad girl from Spain.
Right there, so.
You see?
And so. Right there, so.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Muscle, and this has been another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast, and we are out. This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.